Changing the email link to your WhatsApp account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the email. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account option. This section contains settings related to your account information. Step 4. Change email. Look for the option labeled email or change email. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the change. Step 5. Verify new email. After entering your new email, WhatsApp may send a verification link to that email address. Check your inbox, click on the link, and follow any additional prompts to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your email link to your WhatsApp account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking WhatsApp's help section for further assistance.